Ready to take your students from robotics fundamental all the way to industrial automation? Meet the Automation Pack. The included bundle discovery and its city curriculum guide learners through their first steps in robotics, understanding the arm, mastering movement, and writing their first programs. Then level up with the I/O adapter and the conveyor I/O module. Connect everything to your PLC. The robot, the conveyor, and your 24-volt industrial sensors. The PLC becomes the master. The robots, the conveyor, and the sensors are just executing the PLC orders, just like how industrials are doing. 2 learning stages, 1 pack. From your first movement with the robot towards a fully driven PLC setup. That's the Automation Pack.